In today's video, we're going to look at installing Sonic 2017 for use with OspreyHost. Please note this video will focus only on installing Sonic 2017 and not configuring it for OspreyHost. That will be a separate video. We need to obtain the Sonic 2017 installer, in this case Sonic 2017 Service Pack 4, although depending on when watching this video there may be a subsequent service pack, from the Progress ESD site along with your appropriate Sonic license. Our next step is going to be to run the installer, which we will do by right-clicking and choosing Run as Administrator. That will bring up the ARIA CX Messenger 2017 splash screen, which will launch us into the installation wizard. Our first step will be to click Next. We should read the license and then click Next. Once we're done, we will accept the license and click Next. Now in this instance, we want to change the install path to just C:\Sonic. This is not a strict requirement. However, if you do not do this, the scripted configuration that is provided with OspreyHost will not work. Once that's done, we should click Next. It's going to notify us that this is a new product installation, which is in fact the case, so we're going to click OK. And now it's going to do some pre-configuration. At this point, we're going to get the splash screen to determine what we want to install. In this case, we want to install a Sonic domain, so we click on that. Once we've done so, we'll click Next. Now at this point, we need to enter our SonicMQ domain key from the license that we downloaded from the Progress ESD site. Once we've done that, we will click Next. Once we've entered the license key and click Next, then we need to check our settings here, which are Domain 1, Domain Manager, Management Broker, Port 2506, and then we need to check Enable Security, and then click Next. Once we click Next, we need to make a decision on our Java. For this, we're going to install the Java VM specifically for this application, and click Next. Now we'll get a brief summary of our installation choices. We can confirm them if desired, and then click Install. This will start the SonicMQ installation. Once that is finished, the SonicMQ will tailor its installation files. At this point, the installation is finished. We click Done to finish the installer. The next step will be to configure the installation, which will be in a separate video. Thank you.